Our hotel is the Aqua Bamboo, and it's not the most modern, but it's very convenient to Waikiki Beach and all the exciting things that go on in town. And it's right on the bus line. We went up to the roof of our hotel, and this is our views from our hotel of the ocean. We are only 2 blocks away. And it's kind of nice because we can walk down there, yet we don't hear any of the noises from our hotel. This is a retail area which is 2 blocks away from us, and we spent a lot of time there shopping, and they had a Burger King there, a Kentucky Fried Chicken, and certain days of the week there was farmers market where you could buy fruits and vegetables. It was very convenient for us. These statues were in the marketplace, and Bruce just liked the pictures of them. Unfortunately, if we ever get back, they won't be there because they are tearing that whole area down. I am sure I am going to murder his name, but this is Duke Paola Kahanamoku, and he was a full-blooded Hawaiian who symbolized Hawaii to millions of people. He turned surfing into an Olympic championship, and he was the world's fastest swimmer. He won 3 gold medals, 2 silver, and a bronze in 4 Olympics. He is known as the father of international surfing. And tourists come here and put their leis around his feet, or if they're tall enough, up under his hands to memorialize him. No matter what time we came past the Duke's statue, there were always people around, walking to or fro, watching the beach, in the water. Just was a wonderful spot. This is the Stones of Life. And legend has it that these stones are the living legacy of 4 powerful healers who once resided near this spot. When they decided to leave, they asked the native people to put 2 stones here and 2 stones down by the beach by their favorite bathing spot. Their fame spread as they traveled throughout the islands. And when it came time, they left and went back to their home. And as long as the people came here,
they could be healed.